the short-haired cat, found in United Kingdom. Manaloon cat, found in North America. Ragdoll cat, found in California. Phoenix cat, found in Canada. American shorthair, found in Europe. Abyssinian, found in Southeast Asia. Exotic shorthair, found in United States. Scottish fold, found in Scotland. Burmese cat, found in Burma. Birman, found in France. Bombay cat, found in United States. Siberian cat, found in Russia. American curl, found in United States. Norwegian forest cat, found in Norway. Russian blue, found in Russia. Munchkin cat, found in United States. American bobtail, found in United States. Devon rocks, found in England.